Okay guys, I am back. This is my ground beef that I am cooking up a little bit to get ready to put in my jars. And the next step in the first time canning process. I'm extremely nervous, but I gotta just press my way through it and do it. These are my jars. Well, the box that the jars came in. Put the jars in a dishwasher. I know a lot of sites say you don't have to do that, but just for my peace of mind, I just ran into the dishwasher. You can hear the dishwasher. So by the time I get through cooking the meat, because it's on a light wash, the jars should be done. And so I'm going to, because this is a lot of meat. This is a total of, I think, 10 pounds of ground beef. So it's going to take a while for this to cook, even just to pre-cook. And I'm just going to put a little bit of regular seasons on there and keep it pushing. And just the next step in the canning process. Wish me luck, guys. Thanks so much. Bye.